Tired of Chrome blocking your camera and ruining your video calls? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable camera access in Google Chrome, so you can get back to your online meetings and video chats without a hitch. Let's dive right in. First, locate the three vertical dots in the upper right-hand corner of your Chrome browser. This is your Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down until you see Settings and click on that. This will open Chrome's Settings page in a new tab. Now, in the search bar at the top of the Settings page, type in camera. This will quickly filter the settings to help us find what we need. Look for the Site Settings option in the search results. You should see the option to change camera settings. Click on Site Settings. Scroll down the Site Settings page until you find Permissions. Under Permissions, click on Camera. You'll now be on the camera settings page. Make sure the toggle next to Sites can ask to use your camera is turned on. The toggle should be blue, and to the right, below the toggle, you'll see the sections allowed to use your camera and not allowed to use your camera. If the site you are trying to use the camera on is in the not allowed section, click the trash can icon next to it to remove it from the blocked list. While you are on this screen, make sure the correct camera is selected in the drop-down menu at the top. If you have multiple cameras connected to your computer, Chrome might be using the wrong one. That's it, you've successfully enabled camera access in Google Chrome. Now, go ahead and enjoy your video calls, online meetings, and all the other fun things you can do with your webcam. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.